So we've talked about insurance before, but it was all very vague. So today we're going to talk about car insurance. Vroom, vroom. Hello, we are $5 sisters. I am little sister.
I'm a big sister.
So, big sister, we talked about insurance a while ago, but we haven't gone in depth yet. So how about we go over car insurance today?
Ooh, yes, that would be a great idea. I even have a car insurance. But let me ask you a question before we actually go talking about the insurance. How many accidents do you think is happening per minute in the United States?
Well, I would guess it would be around one accident every few minutes.
Well, we Googled up and we found out actually one accident per minute in the United States. And because of that accident, how many people die?
Around two people die per minute.
So that's a lot.
Yeah.
So while we're talking, somewhere in the United States had an accident, some might die.
Well, big sister, why do we even want to have car insurance?
Well, we learned about insurance is for just the in case situation, right? We wanted to protect ourselves and family or even our assets from just in case.
Yeah.
So let me ask you, we Googled up, you know the answer already. How much average car cost in 2021?
Well, for a new car, it's around $45,000, and if you get a used car, it's around $25,000.
Okay, that's a lot of money. Let's figure this one out. How much is average American household income per year?
It's around $51,000.
$51,000 is average income, and car cost, even used, is 25 to what, 45? That's almost a year income. And if you lose that, then that's a lot of money that you need to pay off. I mean, when you don't have a car, you cannot make money because you cannot go to workplaces.
Unless you live really close.
Well, even if so, you get into injury, let's say, then you can't really go to work. Like, how you are going to make money if you can't function, right? 3, how do you get the food? I mean, you need to get income in order for you to feed the family, right? Even yourself. So those are 3 things that you are going to lose right after you get an accident. You are going to lose your car. 1, well, whether it's a big or huge damage. 2, you may not be able to go to work because you're injured. 3, you can't go to work because you don't have a ride to get to the work, right? So those are 3 we're going to happen pretty much instantly, like when you get into the accident.
And even if you are able to rent a car, it's around $80 per day.
Wow, that's a lot.
So as long as you're injured or don't have a car, you're gonna pay a lot.
So that is a lot of money, and
Yeah.
majority of people do not have a lot of savings. Even if they have a savings, because of car accident, you are going to lose all the savings that you had made, like couple years. I mean, that can happen to anybody.
Yeah.
Nobody wants that. So that's the reason why car insurance is important, because when that happens, they will be protecting you from losing all you have. I have a car insurance.
Yeah.
So I looked it up a little bit, and there is pretty much 4 different types of protection against the car insurance, right? 1 is majorly that we're going to protecting you from body injury and then property damages.
Yep.
Right? And then 2 is we're going to be insured against the people who don't have a license, but yet they actually got into the accident. We need to protect from them, right? And then there is a comprehensive coverage and there is a collision coverages. But it's big words. What is it? So we actually Googled up, right? So what was comprehensive coverage, you find out?
Well, comprehensive coverage is insurance against anything that wasn't in your control, from a tree falling on your car to a thunder hitting, or you hitting an animal, or just anything that doesn't involve a car and is not under your control.
So if there's a hail, thunder, tornado, we find out the animals, rocks, anything that is not like while you're driving with a person to person or car to car, that will be comprehensive.
Yeah.
Well, but if it was a collision, what is about?
Well, collision coverage is insurance against, car to car.
Mm-hmm.
Like you hitting a person in another car.
That does not sound right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that happens quite a bit. You probably know somebody or yourself getting into the accident before. I mean, it is happening pretty much every day.
Yeah.
So obviously you want the protections, right? Everybody need a coverage.
It's time for the bunnies, but we better get a move on before the bunnies drive us away themselves. It's time for Bunny Time! Hello, my name is Pinky.
Hello, my name is Whitey.
We are the
bunnies.
Welcome back to PA News, and here we have a new game show that started up in Bunnyville. The aim of the game is this. We show different scenarios of car accidents, and you need to tell us whether it is a collision or comprehensive coverage. Let's go! Alright, so can you tell us your name, contestants?
I'm a Whitey.
Okay, and you? I am Pinky. Okay, now we have the contestants' names. We have the first scenario. Roll the clip.
Woo! Nice! Finally, I saved up 100 Ks to buy this
Mr.
bus.
Sesame.
I love it.
Gotta hurry!
Problem 1. Is it collision or comprehensive?
Is that what's going to happen to me? Really? Oh! I'm okay!
Roll the clip.
Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Wow, this is nice.
I told you it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful, wonderful day.
Shovel,
Ooh, that's a nice tree.
shovel. What just happened?
Second problem. Was it collision or comprehensive? What? What just happened?
I don't know. Is that a tree or is that a broccoli?
I don't
Question of the
know.
day. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to ponder this for a while. Roll the clip. Whee! Oh no, we're losing control!
Man. Again? I think I need to move. Some different spot.
Problem 3. Is it collision or comprehensive? Man, that was a very big broccoli.
That was a talking tree for sure.
What are you talking about? That's a broccoli.
It's
But
totally talking tree, you know.
it had a green stem. It's a broccoli.
Tree is green, you know.
But it was the
Tree,
stem. No,
tree,
broccoli.
tree,
Broccoli.
tree.
Broccoli.
Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.
If you are awesome, hit the like button.
Goodbye.